Hello everyone, I am Santhosh from BCom News section. I am here to discuss about the topic outsourced accounting. First of all, let's know the meaning of outsourced accounting. Outsourced accounting is nothing but when a business handovers its accounting function and the finance function to a third party company so that they can focus on their growth and not on the managing the money of. By handovering the finance function to a third party company, there is no need to have an accounting team in the company. Okay, why do we need outsourced accounting? But when a company hires a third party team to look over the accounting functions of the company, there will be no need of to manage an accounting team or an finance employees to look over the accounting functions of the company. Okay, how does outsourced accounting benefits the firm? When a third party accounting team looks over the functions of finance in the company, there will be no need of hiring a team for specific accounting, and there will be no need to train them. And purchasing and maintaining accounting softwares makes a huge expense in the firm, and there will be no need for paying employees than benefit expenses or any salaries. Advantages of outsourced accounting. Number 1, cost saving accounting services. By outsourcing a team, we can save money that we spend on employees for their salaries and taxes or any other office supplies, like we need to provide them services we like laptop and many things which makes them comfortable to work at the place, and the extra benefits for part-time and full-time employees, and you can only pay for what you need while you are hiring a team for accounting. You only need to pay the amount which is needed and not any extra benefits which are useless for us, and there will be no loss in productivity costs that come along with hiring full-time employees. Number 2, eliminate time and cost of hiring processes. As you all know that there is a huge process to appoint a employee in a particular role to perform the accounting, financial accounting. So that if you want to recruit an employee, there that consumes business time and cost, and more planning is required. When we appoint an third party company, we can save the amount and for costs. As a result, many companies do not consider the time they spend looking for a professional accountant. Number 3, saving your time. As a business or a company grows, the owner looks on spends their time on managing their money, and they won't spend lot of time in scaling the business. If there is an administrative finance administrative to look over the money and the financial movement of the inflows and outflows, the business can focus on their time and energy. Disadvantages of outsourced accounting. Number 1, lesser control. It is easier to communicate with an in-house accountant when your finance related questions. If we have any questions on our accounting finance, we can directly communicate easier with our in-house accountant. Wherever in the case of outsourced team, we can't communicate with them directly, so because we don't have an direct control on how things are handled by the uh, third party company, so we don't get an idea of how they are doing that. 2, add on cash you are not aware of. Reliable outsourced accounting firms can sometimes put hidden cost in the form of additional tasks. The third party companies can add and separate hidden cost of additional tasks that whether we are not arranged for them, they might arrange it. So it is better to settle the cost of in the early stages. Number 3, you rely on them completely. Dependence on your outsourced accounting department many spell disaster when the firm suddenly goes bankrupt, when there is a huge loss in in our business, or if there is any security issue that may put our financial records at the risk. Security. When we talk about the security in outsourced accounting, many business owners are not ready to hire a third party companies to look over the financial accounting of the company because they are concerned about their security of their accounting data, whether they will be leaked or anything. Is as with an if there is an in-house team for looking over the finance, there will be no issue on securities because there will be no leakage of the data, financial data of the company, so that there will be no trouble in the company. If in the case of third party company, there is a huge risk. If here, we should exercise extreme caution regarding data protection. To avoid every security failures, we should examine references and ensure the outsourcing services providers stick on all basic security procedures. As we all know, there will be a basic security procedure given by a company to an third party company. They should stick to the procedures and not do anything out of the line, and think about the encryption method providers employ on their methods and the security steps to monitor location and data.